Hello, my name's Abbie and I'm going to be showing you how to draw some of the animals in my Animal Surprises series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a hummingbird. I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to draw a hummingbird. Use a pencil and draw lightly so you can rub the lines out at the end. Step 1. Begin by drawing a medium-sized circle. Step 2. Join to another smaller circle. Step 3. Draw a long curved line to make up the rest of the hummingbird's body. Step 4. Draw another curved shape for the wing. Step 5. Draw 2 straight lines connecting the head to the body. Add another for the head to the beak, and a final one at the bottom for the tail. Step 6. You can now add details to the beak and the eye. Step 7. Add more details by drawing feathers onto the wing and tail and fill in the shape of the feet. Step 8. Rub out the guidelines and add colour to your drawing and make your hummingbird bright and vibrant. And there you have your finished hummingbird. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to draw a hummingbird. You can watch the other videos in the series and learn how to draw other animals in Animal Surprises How to Draw and Into the Blue How to Draw.